5 minutes to practice Qigong swing hands exercise. For those of you who don't have a chance to remember a lot of movements, this one can help you to circulate the blood in the whole body, but at the same time to prevent a lot of illness. Dear everyone, welcome back to Qigong meditation channel again. So today we have 5 minutes to practice Qigong swing hands exercise. So this is very simple Qigong exercise. For those of you who don't have a chance to remember a lot of movements, and there is just only one movement to remember, that is swing hands and breathing. Okay, so this one can simply to help you to circulate the blood in the whole body, but at the same time to prevent a lot of illness. Okay, so let us find the yoga mat and stand by barefoot. Okay, standing 2 feet parallel together. You may squeeze all the toes inside. Okay, and then tense your legs a little bit. Close your buttock. Okay, and then all the fingers will put together. Okay, the palms like this way at the chest level, and then your tongue, okay, your tongue will move up to the upper jaw, okay. And then you just breathe naturally through your nose to the nostril, okay. So when you just from here to swing down, powerfully swing down, and naturally you will come back up again, okay. So you don't need to count, but you can do in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So today we do in 5 minutes, okay? Swing down, let your palm to move down and up, okay? Continue to keep your feet, your toes moving inside, tense your legs. And then close your buttock, your bottom, so that you can make the whole body working together. Breathe in. Out. You don't need to do anything, just breathe and feel the movement, okay? You may breathe in, you can swing maybe how many times you can count, and then breathe out how many swinging you can make, okay? And just follow your breathing and do it that way. In, out, and relax the body. In. Slowly, you can feel your shoulders and your arms swing more and release tension, okay? Standing solidly. Breathe in. Out. In. Out. Offer a smile to yourself. It's so wonderful to have 2 hands. Your legs functions normally, and you can move your hands. You offer a gentle smile to yourself and feel grateful. Let it go. Let go all worries, tensions, and anxieties when you just swing your hands like this way without breath. Okay, breathe in. Let it go. Breathe in, bring all love and care, oxygen to your body. And breathe out, let it go all negativities, worries, okay? In. The morning is so fresh, beautiful with the morning mist, birds singing. So when we exercise this way, you can feel the air, you can feel the earth, the space around you. Slowly, you can feel your legs will be tired, but that's okay. That's normal. Breathe in. out. In, out. So slowly, you can slow down your swinging, and then also release your toes. Move your feet to the left, to the right. Shake your hand, shake your foot, your feet, and then you can jump. Okay, you can jump and let go all worries from your hands, your toes, your feet. Breathe in, out. Smile to yourself. That's beautiful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out. Slow. Bring your mind back to the body. And then right palm on your heart, left palm on your lower abdomen. Close your eyes and feel your whole body, okay? Feel your heart, feel your lungs, feel your blood, feel your energy in the body. Look like you are embracing the body with love. Breathe in. Breathe out, feel grateful. You feel your body, you feel your heartbeat, feel your all internal organs. Recognize them and feel grateful to them. Thank you for being there. Thank you, body, for being alive in the present moment. And I feel so lucky, so grateful. Breathe in.